Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You begin by gathering supplies and initiating a soak so cleaning works instead of fighting. Fill the pan with hot water and add a drop or two of dish soap. Let it sit 15 to 30 minutes. While the pan soaks, measure 1 cup white vinegar and prep baking soda for a paste. Once soaked, drain most water but keep a little to avoid hardening crud. This first step weakens carbonized layers, so your next scrubbing is effective and controlled. You deglaze by heating a small amount of vinegar in the pan until it simmers, which loosens brown bits. Pour off carefully. Next, mix baking soda with a little water to form a paste and apply directly to stained areas. Let it sit about 10 minutes so it chemically lifts discoloration. Scrub using a non-abrasive pad in circular motions, concentrating on grain lines. Rinse and inspect. If stains remain, repeat the paste and scrub cycle rather than switching to harsh abrasives that damage the finish. You finish by rinsing the pan thoroughly and drying it immediately with a soft towel to avoid water spots. For restored shine, apply a stainless cleaner or a drop of neutral oil wiped thinly. This evens tone and repels water. If a stubborn ring or rainbow discoloration persists, use a dedicated stainless product like Bar Keeper's Friend carefully, or boil 1 cup vinegar in the pan for 5 minutes then scrub again. Make sure to test any abrasive on an inconspicuous spot first to prevent damage.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.